365 days of granny squares. Today is day number 43, and this square is called the heart square. So let's begin. You're going to need 3 colors. Obviously, you probably want to use red for your heart. So you're going to do a chain 4, join with a slip stitch to form a ring, or do a magic ring. I'm going to do the magic ring, and then you're going to chain 2. This does count as your first half double crochet. Work 3 more half double crochets into your circle. 2, 3. Now work 3 double crochets into your circle. If I'm going too fast for you, up in the corner right here is a option to slow it down so you can see what I'm doing, or you can pause and rewind. So let's see here. We worked chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Now you're going to chain 1 and slip stitch into your ring. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into your ring. 1, 2, 3. 3 half double crochet into your ring. 1, 2, 3. And then if you did the magic ring, go ahead, tighten it up. And join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 2. Round 2, chain 2. Counts as your half double crochet. Now you're going to work 1 half double crochet into the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 3 double crochet in the last stitch. One, 2, 3. Now you're going to chain 1, slip stitch into the slip stitch from the previous round. If you can find it, if yours is really tight like mine is, just try to get it in there. Basically, you just want your heart to look like a heart. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to work 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 1 half double crochet in the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 2 and cut your yarn. And there's your heart. Join your second color. You're going to join into the half double crochet after our chain 2. So where we slip stitched into, you're going to join into the stitch next to that one. You're going to join with a chain 2. So find your stitch. There's your chain 2. Work into the next stitch right here. Okay, chain 2. Now work 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and that will be your corner. So 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, and our first corner has been formed. Now work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and put a 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch. So skip these 2 here and put a 1/2 double crochet into that next stitch over there. Now in the next stitch, you're going to work your next corner, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then put 1 double crochet into that. Work 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2. Now you're going to skip this stitch, the next stitch, the chain 1, the single or slip stitch, the chain 1, and the double crochet right here, and you're going to work a 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. So if you can see, if you spread your work, skip the next stitch, skip the chain 1, skip the slip stitch, skip the chain 1, skip the double crochet, and work a 1/2 double crochet into that stitch. Now work your corner in the next stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet into the same stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, chain 2, join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 2 from the beginning of the round. I can't get mine in. Okay, so you'll join with a slip stitch into your beginning chain 3 or chainless double crochet, whatever you did, and then you are going to slip stitch over to the corner. Once you've done that, after finishing your round, you're going to chain 3 or chainless double crochet. I'm going to do the chainless double, work 2 more double crochets into the corner, chain 3, 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3, oops, there we go, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next chain space, 2 and 3, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, work your corner, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 more double crochet right there in that corner, for a total of 6 double crochet in your corner space, chain 2, work 3 double crochet into the next chain space. Repeat this all the way around until you get back to your beginning, join with a slip stitch, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next space, and I will get back to you when I have completed my round. Remember, you can always rewind, slow down, or pause. I will meet you back when I've worked all the way around. Okay, so last row, around round 6 here, you can chain 3 or do a chainless double crochet. Now you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And now you're going to work your corner as 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, just like we've been doing. 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 more double crochet into the corner, 2, and 3. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Put 2 double crochets in your chain 2 space. Work 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Two double crochet into your chain 2 space. 1 double crochet into the next 3 stitches. And 2 double crochet in the last chain 2 space. One double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then work your corner. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 more double crochet into your corner space. And now you're going to work what we just did all the way around. You're going to work 1 double crochet into the next 3, 2 double crochet in your chain space, 1 double crochet in the next 3, 2 double crochet in your chain space, so on and so forth. Remember, on your corners is 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And I will get back to you when I have finished that. Alright, so now that I've worked all the way around, now you're going to work a slip stitch into your beginning chain 3 or chainless double crochet, whichever one you did first. Join with a slip stitch and cut your yarn, and that completes square number 43, part square. This one's definitely gonna need some blocking. Anyway, so there you have it, y'all. That's all we got for this episode. Alright guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you are not in our Crochet Along on Facebook, the link is in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments down below, and somebody will try to help you as best as they can. Until next time, y'all, happy hooking.